Okay, I'm going to show you how to make charts using the Google Sheets. You select the information that you want to put in the chart. You click on Insert Chart, this little icon right here, and it will create the chart for you. So that's the easy part. First, we don't know anything about these bars, where they come from, so we are going to add that information, and to do that, we're going to click on X-axis over here on the chart editor, and then we select and drag across the information that we want, and that's our destinations. We press OK, and then as you see, it adds the names in here of the places we want to go. Next, we have a rough idea of the distances we're traveling, but we want to add some more information to that. So we can come down onto the chart editor here, and we can customize, and we can change the colors right here, the series. We can change the color to red, and data labels will help us put the numbers in here. As you can see now, the numbers are here, and you can choose the font and the size. You can make it bold, or you can italicize it. You can change the legend, and which is right here, the distance, and you can change the color and the position of it. If you want to put it on the left, it puts it on the left. Put it on the right. We can change the grid lines. We can add minor grid lines. We can put one little minor grid line that'll help us. And that's how you make a chart and add information to it. So do that for the travel time, number of gallons, and the gas cost. And I'll go ahead and do that again really quickly right here. So I'll close the editor. I'm going to take my chart. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to move it off to the side. So travel time, we will select this, insert the chart, and there we go. We want to change the color, so we'll customize, and we will, series is the up and down. First we need to pick the data, so we don't have any X-axis data, and so we will collect that here. Okay, and then we want to customize it and add the information, the data labels, and that puts in the hours there. And then let's change the color to green, and there we go. There's your travel time. Okay, so go ahead, it's really very simple. Steps are, you select your data, click Insert Chart, click Add X Series, and then you choose the information you want for the X, and then you are all done. Do that for all 4 pieces of information.